Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness feature on this smartphone. You need to start by going into settings, scrolling down and choosing display. Now you need to tap on brightness level section and tap on the switcher next to automatic brightness feature. As you can see, auto brightness is now on. If you wish to turn it off, click on the same switcher. But you can always go into top menu as well and click on the settle icon next to brightness slider. If it's see-through, that means that auto brightness is now off, but you can always turn it on by clicking on it over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!